In this video, I will guide you how you can verify your LinkedIn account. So start by opening up your LinkedIn and sign into your account. Then click on profile on the top right and click on your profile name. Now you need to simply click on this verify now with your name. So simply click there and this is going to take you to a verification page. Now if you are associated with any kind of company or corporation, this is going to give you an option to verify your workplace as that particular manager or any other role that you have selected during the creation of your account. So you just need to click on it and then you need to enter the email address that is registered with your company. So you need to keep this in mind, or you can simply click on verify with your government ID if you are not associated with your company. So you will have ultimately two options, but you will only see the option that is selected during the creation of your account. So you need to make sure to keep this in mind. Then you're gonna need to enter the email and then you need to verify the email address, and then you need to follow the on-screen instructions like providing further documents of your company registration, employer ID or etc. And you need to simply send your verification details, and once approved you will receive a badge on your profile. So that's the way of how you can verify your LinkedIn profile.